Why does my cat keep sneezing? Meet Fluffy, your adorable cat, who's been sneezing a lot lately. What's happening? Well, like humans, cats can catch a cold. Sudden changes in temperature can trigger this. Or, Fluffy could be allergic. Dust, pollen, even certain foods can cause sneezing. Sneezing could also mean respiratory problems. A vet checkup might be necessary. Lastly, it could be just a sneeze. Cats, like us, sneeze to clear their noses. So, keep an eye on Fluffy, and keep her healthy and happy.